In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner, and to create new alarm use this plus. Now set up an hour at the top. When you finished, click on Repeat and click on Days of the week that you wish to set up. To save them, hit OK. Then select Sound. Click on Vibration at the top and pick Vibration pattern for this alarm. You can also disable vibrations by hitting None. Then you can tap on Music on device and apply any song from your smartphone by clicking on it and going back. You can also just tap on one of those melodies. Now select Label and name your alarm however you want to. Then hit OK. Click on Ring Duration and select one of those options by clicking on the best one. Now you need to tap on Snooze Duration and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat thanks to those sliders. Then hit OK one more time. Finally, to save your alarm, use the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on this check mark. To turn it off completely, use blue sweater next to it. Then turn it back on by hitting the same, now gray sweater. Lastly, to get rid of any of those alarms, click on the chosen one and select Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!